This year, AAA estimates that 55 million Americans will travel for Thanksgiving.
According to the TSA, they're expecting to screen more than 26 million passengers. And in a world of luggage and carry-on fees, you have to pack like a pro. We travel quite a bit, so which one of us can pack the best bag? Here is the scenario. We are going to pack for a 3-day trip to Denver for Thanksgiving, and we can only bring a carry-on.
That's a tall order.
Yeah.
All right. After we're done, a packing expert is going to take a look and decide how we did. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Set?
Go.
Okay.
Do you have your hair straightener? Good.
I just need hair.
Yeah.
All right. I got
jammies.
Winter pants. 2 more pairs of pants.
Stretchy pants because it's Thanksgiving. An extra pair of pants.
All right. Toiletries.
Probably will only wear the stretchy pants. Oh. If I'm being honest.
I actually want to redo that. I want to put shoes on the bottom because they're kind of dirty.
You don't put, see, what I do is I wrap my shoes up in plastic bags because they're very dirty.
Well, that's probably a good call. I just didn't do that. You're going to win on that one, all right?
Yeah.
Who does that?
Gross. Makeup brushes. Critical. Wrong
I made a
socks.
mistake here. Wait a second. I want to put my socks in my shoes. Make some more space.
Okay.
Like that. There we go.
Slippers.
I have 5 pairs of socks for a 3-day trip. It's going to be cold there, right?
You are.
Oh, 6 pairs of socks.
I'm actually not
Never have enough
necessarily
socks.
ashamed to admit this, but I recycle socks.
Huh.
Is that gross?
Maybe I have sweatier feet.
Maybe.
All right.
Or maybe I'm gross. I don't know. All right.
2 long sleeve shirts. Thermals.
So I like that our bags
Pajamas.
are different. Mine is a split, and yours is all in one.
2 pairs of gloves.
He's like, I don't care.
Yeah.
Okay. A sweatshirt.
Hat.
3 sweaters.
Hat. 2 hats are in there. And I think I'm just gonna, because those things are so bulky, I'm gonna wear the boots and the parka to the airport. But done.
You feel good about it?
I feel good about it. I'm going to wear the boots. I know that can be a pain going through TSA, but that saves you some space.
Right.
And the park is huge. But you can always manage to, like, squeeze that in with your carry-on up in the overhead compartment.
That is exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to be wearing my tall boots on the plane, which I can assure you is a pain through TSA.
Definitely.
But you know what? It's going to save some room, and my jacket also going to go on the plane.
Look at us.
And it zips. We're pros.
Done and done.
Nailed it. So how did we do? That's the big question.
So we recorded that a little bit earlier.
Yeah.
And we allowed our guest, Laura Begley Bloom, Chief Content Officer for FamilyTraveler.com, to check it out. All right, Lauren. We feel good about what happened there. What do you think?
Well, I have to tell you, I saw some good and I saw some bad.
Oh no.
Sorry, guys.
All right, let's start with the bad.
Okay, well, the bag, I do love a split bag. And I really thought Alex's bag was awesome. Beautiful bag, really streamlined. It'll fit well in the overhead. Mike, I got to say your bag looked a little bulky. I feel like they might turn you away when you get to the flight and make you check that bag in. So I feel like you packed too much in there. I also had a question for you guys. You're taking a 3-day trip to Denver next week. And I was checking out your app, and it looks like the weather's going to be 47 degrees. You're bringing thermals, Mike. You're bringing ski pants. Are you going skiing? Have you checked the weather?
Maybe that's the meteorologist in me that I'm always prepared for the worst.
Yeah.
But like you go up into the mountains, maybe if I want to go, to a resort or something up in the mountains.
So here's one of the big errors I think you guys both made. Are you really thinking about your trip and exactly what you're going to be doing? If you're to pack well, you need to plan out that trip. You need to plan out all of those outfits. Alex, you said, I don't know if I'm going to need these extra pants, but I'm going to bring them anyway. Bad move.
Yeah.
If you're not going to you don't think you're going to wear the pants, don't bring them. You want to make sure that you map out all those outfits so you don't have extra clothes.
Well, the goal was to wear them, but I thought they might be too tight after Thanksgiving.
Well, Thanksgiving doesn't have that effect on some people. Also,
Hey, Lauren, if we're trying to prevent a bag fee, we don't want to check a bag, what is your best advice for getting everything into a carry-on so you can just get it in the overhead?
well, my biggest advice, and it's something that I saw you guys doing some of, which is rolling. I think rolling is the best packing technique that you can use because you can save extra space. I also think you just want to use every little bit of space. Mike, I thought you were brilliant with putting your socks into your shoes. Yeah. However, you don't need 6 pairs of socks either. So also a sock fail, I would say. And you want to also pick clothes that do double duty. So think about, a pair of pants that maybe you could wear that would be stretchy for Thanksgiving dinner, but that also could be glamorous enough if you want to go for a night out on the town in Denver. Well, and be warm enough, if say it is warm, cold enough to go skiing.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely. Laura Begley Bloom, we thank you so much for the accolades and the constructive criticism.
And the advice. And happy Thanksgiving.